In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Teams two-factor authentication problem. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your authentication app, open Microsoft Authenticator, and ensure that your time is synced. Also, go ahead and verify your phone number. Go to Account Security Info and verify your phone number is correct and up to date, and request a new code if not. The other thing you want to do is if you have the backup codes that you generated before, you want to simply go ahead and use one of those to sign in. If you don't, then you might need to simply check using a trusted device and ensure it's not blocked. Remove all devices and sign in again as well. Your organization's policy may also require extra steps, so simply go ahead and contact your IT admin to verify your access. If you're on a desktop, simply go ahead and press Windows R and then write this exact thing, %appdata %/ or / Microsoft / Teams, and delete all the files and folders and restart it. If that doesn't work, you might need to go to status.microsoft.com to check if the servers are up and running. If none of it works, simply go to aka.ms / Teams help in order to go ahead and contact their help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.